Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Once again, welcome you all in the online classes from Golden Flower Public School. Today I am here in the class 10th Mathematics from chapter 3. I will show you elimination method for finding the solution. As you are observing, two equations are given, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. From these two equations, we have to find the value of x and y. For that, we will use today elimination method. X plus y is equal to 5, we consider it as equation 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This will be the second equation. Elimination means we have to eliminate either x term or y term. For that, we will make the coefficient of x or y equal. What is the coefficient of y? 1. Coefficient of 3. Coefficient of y is equal to 3. So we have to make both the coefficient equal. For that, we will multiply the first equation by the coefficient of y of second equation and second equation by the coefficient of y from the first equation. Means multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into y, 3y, 3 5s are 15. Now 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. When we multiply this equation by 1, everything will be same. 1 into 2x, 2x, 1 into 3y, 3y, 1 into 4, 4. Now, signs are different, plus and minus, so we will find the sum. 3y plus and 3y minus cancel. 3x plus 2x will be 5x. Fifteen upon 4, 19. X is equal to 19 upon 5. We get the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. For that, we will put this value either in equation 1 or equation 2. Putting the value of y in equation 1. X plus y is equal to 5. X is equal to 19 upon 5. 19 upon 5 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 upon 1 minus 19 upon 5. 6 upon 5. This is the value of y. Therefore, x is equal to 19 upon 5, y is equal to 6 upon 5 is the answer. I will take one more example to show you. Three x plus 4y is equal to 10. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 will be considered as equation first, and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 as second equation. How we will make them equal? By multiplying the equation 2 by 2, we get the 4, coefficient of y 4 and coefficient of x y in the first equation is also 4. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and 2 by 2. 1 into 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Now 2 to the 4x, 4y minus 4y. 2 to the 4. Signs are different, so plus. So plus 3, 4, 7x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 upon 7. X is equal to 2. For finding the value of y, we will put this value remaining one of the equation. See, putting the value of x in equation 1, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. 4y is equal to 10 minus 6. Y is equal to 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 1. This is the solution. This is the answer. I hope you understood it. And now I will give you few questions based on this method. I mean, you have to solve those questions by using the elimination method. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.